Some condo dwellers in the metro have since experienced restrictions in their building's common areas. Proof of this was a commotion in Taguig last week. Medical experts, however, say prolonged confinement and lack of vitamin D can do more harm than good to their health. Ann Los Baños has a story.
Going into the 7th week of the implementation of the enhanced community quarantine, NADI Tamayo is worried that being locked up in his condo unit for the past weeks is already taking its toll on his health. Before the lockdown was enforced by the government, he was already diagnosed by his doctors with lack of vitamin D. This was the main reason why he was very active in running outdoors so he could get his daily dose of natural vitamin D from the sun. But since the ECQ, he cannot even walk outside for a few minutes since the common areas in their condominium, like the pool area, are cordoned off.
Konting ray of sunlight, talagang I have to capitalize on those. Sobrang laki nung adjustment kasi nasanay ako na lumalabas talaga.
So to make sure that he keeps himself healthy even under the ECQ, he does his workout inside his condo unit, like jogging in place for more than an hour every day. He also does some weightlifting, and to get at least some dose of sunshine, he does his stretching in the balcony. But Nadi said he would still feel better if he could do actual walking outside for a few minutes.
Iba pa rin kasi yung lumalabas ka talagang yung pawis mo na-experience pag nasa labas ka compared with the unit na hindi ka nasisinagan ng araw.
Public health expert Dr. Susan MERCADO echoes the sentiment of NADI. Dr. MERCADO says there are serious health risks for people who do not go out for some fresh air and sunshine.
Kailangan po natin na nakatanggap po tayo ng sunlight kasi yun po ang nag-stimulate sa ating katawan para mag-produce tayo ng vitamin D. At yung vitamin D po ay ginagawa ng ating katawan. Yun po ay panlaban sa anumang respiratory illness o sakit sa baka. Pag naarawan tayo, it boosts our immune system.
Dr. MERCADO also criticized the implementation of the ECQ by some LGUs who do not allow their residents to go out even for a short walk or exercise so they could also get their much-needed dose of sunshine and fresh air. Dr. MERCADO suggests that the LGUs should come up with an effective system where they could allow the residents, especially those living in condominiums, to take turns in going out at the common areas for a short walk or a few minutes of exercise. What's important is that they will not crowd the areas and they will not interact closely with each other.
Meron tayong paraan na magagawa kung tayo ay magiging creative or iisipin talaga natin yung pangkabuang kabutihan ng lahat ng tao na nasa loob ng kondo. Mali po yung kinukulong ninyo. Hindi po yan mabuti sa kalusugan at bababa po ang immunity nila. Lalo na kung stressed out yan, ang immune system nila babagsak. So kailangan po gawin natin ang lahat para una, hindi mahawa. Pero pangalawa, na gumanda ang immune system ng tao at hindi po yan gaganda kung wala po silang pagkakataong lumabas, makalanghap ng sariwang hangin at maarawan.
Dr. MERCADO says it is also good if people could do exercises at home, but nothing can replace the natural sun, which we can get if we can go out even for a few minutes every day. What's important is that people maintain social distancing and wear masks.
Quarantine lang means na hindi tayo nag-interact sa ibang tao. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin nun na hindi pwedeng lumabas. So sa akin nga this has been wrongly interpreted to mean stay inside.
Despite caution from medical experts, several condominiums in NCR continue to enforce restrictions in their common areas. Palace spokesman Harry Roque noted that DILG guidelines do refer to these areas as public spaces. He, however, maintained that there could be some exemptions.
Ang construction po ng DILG, at narinig ko po ito sa bibig mismo ni Secretary Anyo, common areas of condominiums are considered public places and subject to ECQ. No? Ganun pa man, common sense din po. No? Dahil alam naman natin, may mga areas na may wide open spaces, kung kinakailangan siguro na hayaan naman paminsan-minsan na magkaaraw, basta merong social distancing, ay siguro po pwede naman yan.
For News 5, Ann Los Baños, we are One News.